Hi, I'm Izzy. I'm going to be reading a section from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which is my favourite childhood book by Roald Dahl. I'm going to be reading the section where Charlie has just found out that he's found one of the 5 golden tickets and he's just come home to tell his parents. Chapter 12. What it said on the golden ticket. Charlie burst through the front door shouting, "Mother, mother, mother!" Mrs. Bucket was in the old grandparents' room serving them their evening soup. "Mother!" yelled Charlie, rushing in on them like a hurricane. "Look, I've got it! Look, Mother, look! The last golden ticket! It's mine! I found some money in the street and I bought 2 bars of chocolate and the second one had the golden ticket. There were crowds of people all around me wanting to see it and the shopkeeper rescued me and I ran all the way home and here I am. It's the 5th golden ticket, Mother, and I found it!" Mrs. Bucket simply stood and stared, while the 4 grandparents, who were sitting up in their bed balancing their bowls of soup on their laps, all dropped their spoons with a clatter and froze against their pillows. For about 10 seconds there was absolute silence in the room. Nobody dared to speak. It was a magic moment. Then, very softly, Grandpa Joe said, "You're pulling our legs, Charlie, aren't you? You're having a little joke." "No, I'm not," cried Charlie, rushing up to the bed and holding out the large and beautiful golden ticket for him to see. Grandpa Joe leaned forward and took a close look, his nose almost touching the ticket. The others watched him, waiting for the verdict.